In this video, you'll learn how to book a makeup artist on Wecasa. By following the steps outlined, you will successfully schedule your appointment for beauty services. Begin by visiting the website www.wecasa.co.uk or open the Wecasa app on your device. If you are using the website, ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any loading issues. Once the page loads completely, you will be directed to the Wecasa homepage. Next, locate the section for beauty services. On the homepage, you should see a navigation menu. Click on the option labeled Beauty. This will redirect you to a page showcasing various beauty services available. Look for the option labeled Makeup and select it to proceed. After selecting Makeup, you will be prompted to fill in your address and availability. This information is important as it helps the makeup artist know where to travel and when you are available for the appointment. Make sure your address is accurate to avoid any confusion. Once you have entered your details, click the button to continue. Now, you will choose the duration of your service. There may be several options available depending on the type of makeup service you require. Select the duration that best fits your needs. Additionally, you can add any specific requirements in the comments section. This is your chance to communicate any details that the makeup artist should know. Once you've completed all the necessary fields, review your information to ensure everything is correct. Confirm your selections by clicking the button to finalize your booking. After this, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your appointment has been successfully scheduled. Keep an eye on your email or app notifications for further details regarding your booking. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.